So students, Indian judiciary is independent and efficient to work in accordance with democratic principles. Indian judiciary is independent in many ways. Let us understand how far it is independent. So students, judicial administration is independent of the federal and state administration. So this is one of the important thing that makes our judicial system an independent system, where state administration as well as federal administration has no control over it. Judiciary has been given vast powers and can give a decision against the government also, somehow, if the government is not acting in accordance to it. No government official or private official can interfere in the working of the judiciary. So this also makes our judicial system an independent system. Supreme Court is made free to interpret the Constitution. That means to save Constitution of India against arbitrary interpretations by the other organs of the government. So Supreme Court is made free to interpret the Constitution. Also student, judiciary is free to institute the contempt of court. That means anyone who is showing disrespect to the court while the proceedings can be taken into consideration and he can be tried. So it is judiciary who has this access, who has this authority to institute the contempt of court proceedings against any who shows disrespect to the court. Laws passed by legislature can be declared null and void by Supreme and High Courts if they violate the fundamental rights and provisions of the Constitution. The judges get good salary packages during service and pensions after retirement. The judges enjoy security of service. They cannot be removed just by impeachment. And even the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President on the recommendations of the Chief Justice of India. So there are qualifications mentioned in the Constitution of India for being a judge. So students, all these points somehow make our judiciary of India as independent.